Good morning, everyone. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, we'll continue block 21, Our Earth, and we will study S3 of this block. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Our aim for today is to be able to describe the conditions on the earth that are suitable for life. So, we should know about the conditions on the earth that are suitable for life in today's class. So, watch the video carefully. And now answer this question. When you breathe, what do you think you take in through your nose? You can answer to your partner. When we breathe, we take in air or oxygen through our nose, which is found in the atmosphere of the earth. And today we will learn about the surface and atmosphere of the earth. This is your topic for today, conditions on earth, because some conditions on the earth makes earth suitable for living. That's why the earth is the only planet that supports life. And that's why we are able to breathe on the earth. And here are some keywords which we will use in this topic. You should know the meaning. Exist means present. And amount means quantity. Surface, top part of something. Surface of the land, surface of the water means top part of anything. Beyond, other side of something. Beyond the sky, beyond the universe, beyond the clouds means other side of something. Now you need to do activities. First is close your eyes, take in a deep breath, and now stamp your feet on the ground. You can stand up from your place to do this. Only twice. Stamp your feet on the ground twice. Okay, done? And second activity, hold your breath for a few seconds. And be careful, if you are not able to do, don't need to do. Okay, be careful while doing this exercise. Only do if you are comfortable. After doing this activity, you need to answer, what did you take in when you took a deep breath? What did you feel under your feet when you stamped them on the ground? Do you think you will be comfortable holding your breath even for a few seconds? Why? We took in air while taking a deep breath. When we stamp our feet on the ground, we feel a hard ground beneath us, beneath or under. We cannot hold our breath for too long because we need to breathe, and we breathe out air and then breathe in air again. We breathe out carbon dioxide and we breathe in oxygen, and we cannot live without air. And now you need to answer this question. To answer these questions, you need to study conditions on earth from your content book, the surface of the earth and the atmosphere. Pause the video, study thoroughly the topic, and then answer these questions. What is the air a part of? What is the surface of the earth made up of? Why are they important for us? Pause the video, study the topic, and then come back again to answer these questions. So, what is atmosphere? The air is a part of Earth's atmosphere, and the atmosphere is a layer of air that surrounds the Earth. Here you can see the layer of gases or air surrounding Earth, and the gases which are present in the air, which is present in our atmosphere, are made up of 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen, and other gases also, and dust, pollutants and water vapor. So what is atmosphere? Layer of air that surrounds the earth, and layer of air work as a blanket for the earth which covers the earth. This is called atmosphere, and in the air 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen is present. So this is called atmosphere, layer of air that surrounds the earth, and that layer of air acts like a blanket that protects the earth from the harmful rays of the sun. And how atmosphere help us? The atmosphere protects us from harmful rays of the sun and keeps the temperature right to be able to live. And without this layer of atmosphere or air, the harmful rays of the sun would be able to reach on the earth, and because of the layer of air work as a blanket, and harmful sun rays are not able to reach on the earth. And atmosphere provides air to breathe for us. And what about the surface of the earth? So surface of the earth is 3 parts water and 1 part land. All life forms like plants, animals and humans live on the surface of the earth, either on land or in water. On land, living beings like human beings, plants and many animals live, and in water, aquatic animals. And the surface of the earth provides place to live for living beings. And it also provides water for us. And why Earth is known as the blue planet? Because there is water in 3 parts of the earth, so it seems blue planet. In this picture you can see photos of earth from the space, because of a big part of the earth is covered with water. So from the space, earth seems blue. That's why earth is known as blue planet. Now answer this question. What would happen if there was no atmosphere? You can answer to your partner. If there was no atmosphere, there would be no air to breathe. No living thing would be able to survive on Earth. Since there is no atmosphere in the space, so astronauts travel in spacecrafts that have air in them so they can breathe. So because of the air in their spacecrafts, astronauts are able to breathe, because there is no atmosphere in space. So this is about conditions on Earth. These are the conditions which make Earth suitable for living. Earth's surface and atmosphere. Earth's surface provide us land and water, and atmosphere provide us air to breathe and protect us from harmful rays of the sun, keeps the temperature right to be able to live, and acts like a blanket for the earth and block harmful rays from reaching the earth. So this is about this topic. After watching the video, you need to read conditions on the earth After reading the topic, finish your S3 and do PQ 6 and 7. This is your S3. Choose 3 words from the box that describe the conditions on the earth. You can circle the word. Question 2. What conditions on earth make life possible? B. Why is the earth known as the blue planet? Question 3. Suman wanted to travel to space without a spacecraft and air. Is it possible to do so? Why? Complete your work properly after watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.